We're here in room 477, a one-bedroom garden island view villa here at Aulani, a Disney Resort and Spa in Hawaii. You want to see what one of these looks like? Let's head inside and check it out right after this. Now, before we actually head inside here and check out the room behind me, I want to tell you about my friends and partners at the DVC shop. If you're looking to stay here at Aulani, a Disney Resort and Spa, or any of the other wonderful Disney Vacation Club resorts, you're going to want to go and check out DVC shop. They have all kinds of confirmed bookings where you can go and reserve through them and save all kinds of money versus booking direct. And if you're a DVC owner and you actually have points you don't know what to do with, you can't use, well, you can also contact the DVC shop and they'll actually help you rent them out so you can cover those maintenance fees. Click on the link in the description box below, the first pinned comment, or scan the QR code here on the screen to head over to their website and check out what they have to offer. I'd like to thank DVC Shop for hosting us here at Aulani and sponsoring today's video. Now, on with the tour. Okay, so when we come into this one-bedroom villa here at Aulani, a Disney Resort and Spa here in Hawaii, we actually have the bathroom right over here, but we also have the kitchen. So let's go in here and take a look at this kitchen in this one-bedroom villa. Yeah, really good sized kitchen, actually. I'm kind of surprised. You do have your oven, range, microwave, and a refrigerator here. Actually looks like a pretty new refrigerator. And it does have an ice maker that we do have to turn on. Then over here it does look like we have a Keurig, so if you want to make just single brews, you can do that. But it also has a coffee pot and some coffee supplies here. So if you want to make a full pot, you can do that as well. And there's also some tea there. Over here we do have a rice cooker. And I'm sure in the cupboards we're going to have some more stuff. We do also have an ice bucket. But let's look in these cupboards. We do have our dinnerware, it looks like for 6 people. So yeah, 6, maybe 8 actually. It looks like 8 people. So we have 8 plates, 8 bowls. Looks like just 7 small ones, but yeah, actually kind of surprising there. Plate settings for 8 people. Now in here we do have coffee mugs, and not really too sure what that's for. That might be for like cream and sugar. And then in here we have our glassware again for 8 people. And it looks like there's some type of trash bag up here that looks like it maybe had fruit or something in it. I'm not too sure what the deal with that is. Up above the microwave, you have a couple of just cupboard doors that are closed. You can't open them. Then over here we have, looks like wine glasses. So yeah, enough for 8 people there. And then in here, we have a toaster. And we have, it looks like a kettle. Yeah, so an electric kettle and a toaster. Now down under the cabinets, we're going to have our utensils. Yeah, so silverware here for 8 people. Chopsticks as well. And then we have some cooking utensils, knives, kind of your spatulas, your spaghetti spoon, your ladle, all that kind of stuff. And then under here, we have pots and pans. Now let's check under the oven because there's usually something interesting here, but all we have is a broiler pan. Is there anything in the oven? Nope, just our standard oven. Sometimes I'll put a baking sheet or something like that in there, so I want to make sure I point those out. And here we have a number of different things. We have a pitcher, we have some storage containers, there's some bowls back there, there's a colander, and there's actually our baking sheet. Now over here, it looks like we have some dishwashing supplies, kind of a dish drying rack, and a plastic cutting board. And then down under the sink, it's just our trash can. There is also a dishwasher here, so great to not have to do dishes while you're on vacation, as well as a nice kind of deep sink here too. Now just off the kitchen here, we have a closet. And in here, it's actually our washer and dryer. So a stacked washer and dryer, great to have in-room laundry in this one-bedroom villa. And then kind of coming in here, we have what looks to be kind of a dining room table. I'm not really big on this setup here. No actual chairs. You kind of have a banquet style seating with a bench around the back, and then just kind of these 2 stools that pull out. So no actual chairs. Not kind of a place I'd really want to work for any length of time, unless maybe that kind of bench is actually really comfortable. I'm not too sure. Then over here we have a door. This is actually a lock-off door because I understand that actually goes to another unit. This probably makes up a full 2-bedroom if you have both units side by side. And then down at the end here we do have fairly good size, not too big of a flat screen television up there on the wall. Then they kind of have this little towel kind of figurine or animal over here. And then in here we actually have a Murphy bed. So you pull this down and you have a Murphy bed. Oh, I was probably supposed to push that leg down first, but you get the idea. They don't really have anything kind of painted on the back of that, which is a little bit unusual. The Walt Disney World resorts usually have something. When you fold it down, there's a really cool design back there, but let's close this back up. We're not going to be needing that. Then across from that here, we do have our sofa with a couple of chairs, kind of a nice ottoman coffee table kind of setup here. And now also this kind of ottoman, it does open up. This kind of lifts up. There's some storage in there. I'm not going to lift it up fully because I don't want to drop those books, but they have the extra bedding kind of put in there. And that extra bedding would, of course, be for the pull-out sofa here, or if you want, you might need a pillow for that Murphy bed down there. And it looks like we actually have a ceiling fan in here in the living room. Now, off the living room here, we do actually have a lanai, and I'm noticing on the way out, they have a surfing Mickey right there. That's kind of neat. Let's just go out here and take a look at this. I believe there's also one over on off the bedroom, so we'll take a look at that too. But let's just head out here, find where we open this up. It looks like it's down here. We have a screen door. We have a latch, and then we can open. So yeah, here we are, small lanai here. We have 2 chairs and kind of a couple of little footstools or ottomans that you can pull out. You potentially also use those as like a little table. But yeah, here we are. We're in a garden island view unit, and we're actually overlooking the Great Lawn where they actually hold the luau's here at the Disney Aulani Resort. That is actually a spectacular show. I know you might be thinking, it's expensive, it's gonna be Disney-fied, but trust me, we went to it the other night. Fantastic show, really, really great food. You only actually see Mickey and Minnie for maybe a minute and a half at most. Not really Disney-fied at all. A really great story they tell. If you have the opportunity, definitely check that out. People are actually already starting to line up just down here. And then the people with priority seating, I believe they're lining up over here. You can see our view out here. We have the building right here in front of us, and kind of just a view out here to the Great Lawn. Nothing really spectacular. We certainly cannot see the ocean. But now that we've seen that, let's head back in here and we're going to take a look at the bedroom and bathroom. Now, before we actually head into the bedroom here, I am seeing a small closet. Looks like we do in here have some storage. There's a laundry basket down there, and it's where we'll find the in-room safe. So now that we've seen that, let's head in here and take a look at the bedroom. Yeah, so heading into the bedroom here, we have a great big king-size bed. Really, really nice bed there. A couple of nightstands, lots of pillows. Looks like there's 6 pillows on the bed. Then down here, we have a television. Plenty of storage down here as well. And then going over here, we actually have, there's that other nightstand, and we have a nice work desk here. So really, really great to have a work desk in here. And they have a Mickey lamp here too. Look, he's playing the ukulele. There's also a ceiling fan in here in the bedroom. And now before we head out and take a look at the patio from this side, which isn't going to be much different than the other one, we will step in here and take a look at the bathroom. So here we kind of have a separate vanity area from the actual bathroom, I guess. So single vanity, nice sink there, nice big mirror, some nice artwork on the wall. And then over here, we do have a jetted tub. So definitely a nice place to come soak after you've been out all day in the heat here in Hawaii. They do have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And I'm noticing that they kind of have this little doorway or shutters that kind of open up out into the bedroom. Then behind here, we do have another little closet, it looks like, and it's just some storage. You have some hangers. There's an ironing board, and that must be some type of like pack and play, as well as a luggage rack. Now we'll head in here and take a look at kind of the main bathroom area. Again, another single vanity, plenty of counter space again, some storage, toilet, plenty of towels, and then here we have a walk-in shower. Yeah, so this is a really great walk-in shower. You actually have a really good sized shower bench there. You have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then you have an overhead rain shower head, as well as kind of a wand there. You can lift that off. So yeah, really, really great walk-in shower here. So now we've seen the inside and part of the outside of the unit, let's actually head out onto this lanai and check it out. So yeah, over here on this lanai, exactly the same thing. A couple more chairs, a couple of footstools there, and just another view out here to the Great Lawn. Really, from neither one can we actually see the stage all that well, but we'll definitely see all the people chowing down on the great food. And we'll certainly be able to hear the music if we're up here in our villa, out on the patio when they're doing the luau. But yeah, there it is. The 1-bedroom villa here at Aulani, a Disney Resort and Spa here on the island of Oahu and the beautiful islands of Hawaii. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help with this video. And also, don't forget to check out DVC Shop, the sponsor of this video. And if you want to see another video from here at Disney's Aulani, it will be a full resort walking tour. Check that out right here coming up next. I know you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.